Hi, I'm Neil Simmons with Mauser Electronics, and today we're going to be unboxing the Intel Galileo. I'm very excited for this. This is a collaboration between Intel and Arduino. It's kind of like a you got chocolate in my peanut butter moment. So now we're going to go ahead and unbox. And first thing you'll notice is the board itself right on top, inside of this nice static bag. Go ahead and open it up, and on this board is a Intel Quark SoC X1000. It's brand new from Intel. It's a 32-bit Pentium class processor. It's really pretty nice, but we're going to go over that a little bit more in a moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in this great box. Underneath here, we have the important safety and regulatory information. You should probably carefully read all of these things. I did earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and skip past that. And then under here, we have this is your wall wart. This is what's going to provide the power to the Galileo. And also, inside, we have a variety of power adapters. So, regardless of the country that you live in, you probably have a option here that will work for you. And those just go right on the adapter. And it's ready to go. So in the box we have the board, the power cables, and your warning, which is very important to make sure you read that. And now, get this out of the way, let's take a look at the board itself. The first thing you'll notice right in the middle is the Intel Quark SoC X1000. It is a 32-bit Pentium class 400 megahertz processor. It has 512 KB of embedded SRAM. And the next thing you will probably see is this set of header pins here. These are Arduino compliant. They're Arduino Uno 1.0 spec compliant. They should work with most shields. However, Intel does have documentation for specific ones that they have tested with this board. Now coming up here, you will see the USB host connector. This is where you would connect a keyboard or mouse or other USB device that you would want to use with this board. Next is the USB client connector. This is where you will connect to your computer to program this board. And then next to that, what looks like an audio jack is actually a UART port for serial communication. And then here we have the Ethernet connector. Next to that, we have this jumper pin. This is to prevent communication issues whenever you're using the serial connector. And then down here we have the barrel connector. This is where you will connect your power supply. And then here we have, next to this connector, we have a small switch. This is the reset button for the board. And then this is your JTAG header connector for debugging. And then moving all the way over, we have two more jumpers. These jumper pins are to change the voltage for the Arduino compatible headers, and also to disconnect the Arduino compatible headers from the power supply so that you can provide your own power to your shield. And then under that we have a reboot button. Now turning the board over, on the back we have a PCI Express mini card slot with PCIe 2.0 compliant features. So that is the Intel Galileo, and it is available now on Mauser.com, and we are really excited to share this with you, and let us know what you plan to build with yours. What was inside the box? I guess you could say Intel. The new Intel Galileo. Deal with it.